Hello, City. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute princess from my coloring book. You can download the coloring book together with your parents from link under the video. Now let's look at the picture. We can see the head, hair, arms, dress, earrings, bracelet, and ring. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, long hair, arms, long dress, bracelet, earrings, and ring. Now, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper. Draw a circle over here. Then we're gonna draw the ears. C shape on the left side, over here in the middle, and on the right side. Then we're gonna draw a hair. I start over here and draw 4 backwards G shapes in a row diagonal to the right to the ear. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 2 curves to the left over here. Let's count. 1, 2. Then let's draw 2 dots for her eyes. The first and the second. Backwards C shape for nose in the middle. And then we're gonna draw a mouth. Draw horizontal line under the nose, then big U shape, then small curve over here on the top of the mouth and small curve on the bottom of the mouth. And let's color this shape and leave teeth and tongue white. Oh, I like your line! Our Namin has roses in her cheeks. Draw C shape on the right side and backward C shape on the left side. Now let's draw her neck. We're gonna draw 2 short vertical lines under the head. Then let's draw the top of the dress. Draw diagonal line on the left side and on the right side. Then 2 diagonal lines on both sides and let's connect them. Then we're gonna draw 2 curves over here. Now let's draw the bottom of her dress. Draw a curved line on the left side and on the right side. Then wavy line on the top of her dress. Over here, draw a wavy line, then 3 lines under this shape. Let's count. 1, 2, and 3. Then let's connect this line with curve. And the same thing over here. You're doing great. Keep it up. Now it's time for your arms. Draw 2 diagonal lines on the left side. Long C shape over here and small C shape. Then 2 curves over here, the first and the second. Then let's draw the same thing on the right side. 2 diagonal lines on the right side. Long curve, then small curve, and 2 curves over here. Now it's time to finish her hair. I start over here and draw a wavy line to the down and connect with the dress. And draw the same thing on the right side. These lines are finished on the same level. Then draw curve over here to the up and the same thing on the right side. Now let's draw the bracelet. Draw two short lines on the right side, on the right arm, and wavy line over here. Then let's draw the ring. I draw a small curve over here on the left arm. Now let's draw the chain and pendant. I draw a circle and spiral inside and connect with the neck. Then let's draw the earrings. Draw a circle on the bottom of the ear and spiral inside. Then 2 leaves and 3 small circles under the leaves. 1, 2, 3, and end the spiral inside the circles. Then add 2 leaves on the left side and on the right side. And let's draw the same thing on the left side. Small circle on the bottom of the ear and spiral inside. 2 leaves to the down and 3 small circles under the leaf. Add a spiral and 2 leaves on the left side and on the right side. What a careful work! Then we're gonna draw the pattern of the dress. Draw circles inside this part of the dress. This is flowers, circle and spiral inside. Don't rush. Draw flowers accurately. And let's add flowers over here. Draw a circle and spiral inside. Circle and spiral inside. Circle, spiral inside. Circle, spiral inside. Well done! Then let's add 4 flowers over here. Circle, spiral inside and 2 leaves. The second flower, the third flower, and the 4th flower. That's a way go, you did it! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. Now I choose yellow for her hair. You can choose any color you like. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. I believe in you. I choose pink for her blush, red for her tongue, and 2 shades of pink for her dress. Flowers will be dark pink, lips will be green, and the bottom of her dress will be light pink. You can choose any color you like. Try to stay inside the lines. And beige for her skin. You can choose any color you like. Wow, what a wonderful princess! I like your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring book and fun paper game. I'll link in the description under the video. Love you, bye bye!